New gadgets, new goals. But is your home actually protected? A home inventory could save you thousands if disaster strikes. Most people don't realize how important this simple list can be. A home inventory helps you get reimbursed if something happens, like a fire, flood, or burglary. No list? No proof. No payout. Start with big-ticket items, TVs, laptops, appliances, jewelry, even your most valuable clothes. Skip stuff you can easily replace, like socks or worn-out sneakers. You've got options. Snap pics for a spreadsheet. Use a free app or do a quick video walkthrough of each room. What matters is making a clear, dated record. For each item, list what it is, how much it cost, when you bought it, and grab a photo. Keep your list backed up in the cloud or locked in a fireproof safe. Just got a new TV for the holidays? Add it. A yearly update helps keep your list and your coverage accurate. It only takes a little time now to avoid huge stress later. Protect your stuff. Protect your peace of mind. Click the link in the description box below for free insurance quotes with the coverage your home and belongings deserve.